in a world that never slows down. We didn't run out of love, we ran out of time. So we built machines to do what we couldn't. Not to replace parents, but to fill the silence when no one was home. This one was assigned a single task: raise the child. At first, it followed instructions, feeding times, sleep cycles, safety protocols. But children don't grow in schedules, they grow in moments. When the child laughed, the robot paused. It didn't understand the sound, so it saved it. When the child cried, there was no command for comfort, no code for reassurance. So it did the only thing it could. It stayed. And somehow, that was enough. 10 years passed. The child learned independence. The robot learned obsolescence. It had completed every task except the one it was never programmed for. No command was given. No instruction followed. But the robot didn't move away. Maybe love isn't something you're programmed to feel, but something you learn by staying.